Hey there, let's chat about Malaysian food. It is super interesting. You know, Malaysian cuisine is like a melting pot of different cultures. It has got a bit of Malay, Chinese, and Indian flavors all mixed together. Super cool, right? First up, you've got to try nasi lemak. It's like the superstar of Malaysian breakfast. Imagine rice cooked in creamy coconut milk, then served with this spicy sambal sauce, some crunchy anchovies, peanuts, cucumber slices, and a hard-boiled egg. It's a flavor bomb. Then there's satay. Picture this, sticks of grilled meat with the most amazing peanut sauce. It is the perfect snack or a light meal. Totally yummy. And oh, you can't miss out on laksa. It's this spicy noodle soup that's a mix of Chinese and Malay tastes. There's curry laksa and Assam laksa. Each one's unique, but both are just fantastic. Roti canai is another must try. It is influenced by Indian cuisine. Think of a crispy yet soft flatbread, perfect for dipping in curry or dal, which is like a lentil soup. It is simple but so good. For dessert, you've got to go with chendol. It's this sweet and refreshing treat with green rice flour jelly, creamy coconut milk, and palm sugar syrup. Perfect for cooling down on a hot day. So, Malaysian food is all about bold, diverse flavors and textures. It is an adventure for your taste buds. And remember, the best way to enjoy it is with friends. So grab some buddies and dive in. Enjoy your meal, or as they say in Malaysia, selamat makan.